Over these years, I have developed my DMCs all over the world.
Yes.
They have again become more my friends. Unless I feel they have let me down, I do not look ever for another supplier. OTM, they say, try us out, try us out. But I say, why?
You say a big NO if you say Indian khana chahiye.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I do not say I dislike Indian food.
Yeah.
I'm an Indian.
Yes.
But the whole thing is we should have an open mind. My people do. And when you go over there, you want to try out some local speciality. You may not believe this. Once a banker came to our office and he started off, what is the turnover of your company? I said, oops. What is the profit and loss? Oops.
In the city of Pune, if you want to get some kind of inspiration, just step into where I am, in the house of the beautiful Mona Pandey, the lady who set up Millennium Travels, 79 years of age soon, who's bungee jumped in her 70s, who's done the Antarctica, the Drake Passage as they call it, and the real word is unstoppable. I have to tell you this. Her husband's in the ICU and she's here with me doing an interview because she said, you know what? I'm sure it's all going to work out well. That's the spirit of excellence. And that's why we are celebrating her this Women's Day, because she's unstoppable, unapologetic, and totally unconventional. You're soon going to be 79. What I really appreciate is you said you travel with me, you have faith. Non-negotiable deals. You
Absolutely.
do not ever discuss price points.
Absolutely.
And you don't reduce a pie.
Absolutely.
And you also said something interesting, Mona, that you say a big NO if you say Indian khana chahiye.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I do not say I dislike Indian food.
Yeah.
I'm an Indian.
Yes.
But the whole thing is we should have an open mind. My people do. And when you go over there, you want to try out some local speciality.
Your journey started, Mona, in the 80s.
After I got married. For a long time, in fact, I did everything that could be done from the house.
Okay.
So it was giving tuitions, baking classes.
Yes, that's just baking, yes.
Because I wanted to spend time with the kids so much so that every day as a mom, I have carried lunch to them and back.
Wow.
And that time I was living in, I was from Pune, but living in Bombay.
Uh-huh.
And I was called Luna Wali Mona from Pune.
And then you stepped into this role of being an entrepreneur. What led you into this, Mona? Because
Actually, as you notice,
Yes.
I love talking.
Yes.
And I love people.
yes,
And I love doing things for people.
yeah, I see
So
that.
these three, what could be better but travels?
Yeah. At your age, you've done adventure sports, which is not soft adventure.
No.
Where people like us might think bungee jump karu, skydiving karu, nahi karu. But
And
you've done
actually,
it.
it's how you set the ball rolling.
Yes.
Many times when you go first for the bungee jumping, almost everybody said, we don't want to do it.
Yeah.
And then when they see that I've done it, so many follow.
And guys, I want to tell you all this. She got her bungee jumping in New Zealand free of cost.
When they heard my age.
Because when they registered her age, they said, okay, free. You can go free.
In my office, accounts and me
Huh.
are poles apart. I'm doing this as a hobby.
Thank
I love
you.
it. I have enough money to pay my salaries. Honestly, you may not believe this. Once a banker came to our office and he started off, what is the turnover of your company? I said, oops. What is the profit and loss? Oops. Go to my accounts. I literally do not know, nor does it interest me. Honestly.
I'm seeing your tours recently, the ones you've done in
Yeah.
New Zealand, and I think where all you've gone to.
The last few have been the
Scandinavia,
Iceland.
yes.
We got to see the northern lights.
And in all beauty, right?
In all the beauty, I have a photo here if you want.
Yes, yeah, we're going to see it.
Just before that, I did Central Asia.
Uh-huh.
So we did Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and Azerbaijan.
Oh. Your journey of life over the 80s, 90s, 2000s, and now 2020 beyond, is there a certain pattern that you've seen that's changed? Of course, but any challenging patterns? Something that challenged you?
Well, challenge in the sense, yes. As far as ticketing is concerned, yes. People keep checking online, then checking with you. Even in that, I would say, it's a 50-50% because there are some who have done it online. See, when things are good and you do things online, it's all good, you've got a good price, you're very happy. But if things go wrong,
Yeah.
Then they realized that there's no human being to talk to.
So true. Yes, you need that. Look at the crisis
That,
today.
yeah. And you won't believe the things we do there. Our ticketing girl has handled people with calls coming in, not a crisis like this, even
Generally,
regular times. 12 o'clock at night, 1 o'clock at night. That's one thing about my entire office staff. The kind of dedication every single staff member of mine is absolutely amazing. And I have an average in my office, people working with me of 15 years. Average.
Amazing. Amazing. That calls for you as a leader.
Through everything. I did not sack a single person.
Yes, that's what I'm saying, ma'am. It calls for your
It's a
graciousness.
family.
Just by the way, guys, on 2nd July to the 20th July,
20.
she is doing this crazy tour for 20 days to Siberia
Russia,
and Mongolia and
Siberia,
Russia
and Mongolia.
and Mongolia. And just by the way, her tour is full.
Yes.
I'm sure a lot of young people come to you as well because I saw pictures on your tour.
Yeah, a lot
there are
of
young
people.
boys.
Yeah.
Teens.
Yes.
What's the conversation you had with them?
No, actually, the teens, it's also because I have so many senior people traveling, a lot of people now are taking their grandkids with them. So
But that's so cool.
that works so well
Yeah.
because certain things, the so-called aji, grandma,
Huh.
the kids look after, carry her bag, carry her thing, count her money. Other things, when she wants to shop, she tells the grandkids, I don't know, I have to buy for so-and-so age 20, so-and-so age 22. Please go and buy for them. I don't know what to buy. So I had one thing against Andamans. I don't know whether I should say it today.
Please go
But
ahead.
what it is almost all the water activities, they have an age limit. And I could not go for any. I could not do snorkeling.
Oh,
So I had brought a fitness certificate from my doctor and said, look, she's done such things in her life.
and then
They said, no, madam, sorry. So I couldn't do snorkeling. All I could do was that water scooter where you'll see me doing.
that scooter.
Yeah.
Oh, just look at her face.
Nothing I could do. Nothing.
Snorkeling नहीं कुछ
नहीं,
और
कुछ
maybe
नहीं,
the
leave out नहीं.
so didn't you tell them मैंने ये bungee
सब
jumping
बोला.
किया है न्यूजीलैंड में ये क्या है?
Well, very politely they told me, but a big no.
You just mentioned to me that for the first time in your 40, 50 years plus experience, you did a travel road show. You walked the aisles at OTM.
I went
And-
to, no, I won't say that was the first, but very rarely.
You've gone
I went for
rarely.
that.
Okay.
And I'll give you the reason for that. You see, over these years, I have developed my DMCs all over the world.
Yes.
They have again, because of my long tenure, let's say, become more my friends. And this is especially so in Egypt, in Greece, in Austria, and a lot of other places. With the result that unless I feel they have let me down, I do not look ever for another supplier, ever.
That's a
Whether
very
it
good
be
point.
foreign exchange, whether it be DMCs. So OTM, they say, try us out, try us out. But I say, why? I've had them so much so that in Egypt, I've gone home for dinner with them. This Martin, who's from Austria, we went out and had a drink together after my tour. That kind of a relationship. And that I would really like to put. There are times when some associate rings me up that I'm getting a very good internal ticket over there for a particular price. And we're not talking about one ticket, it's like 15 tickets, 20 tickets. And it's much more expensive here. So much faith is built up that he will buy those 20 tickets before getting even €1 from me. This is something that I've built up. Financial credibility. Like, you said, how does she deal with all this and that?
Yeah.
And my husband's reply to all these questions is always, she's on a high when something goes wrong.
Oh.
Otherwise, how dull?
Are you a crisis manager all the time?
Yes. Pretty much.
I can,
Pretty much.
yeah, I think you just jump up and fix things. Her father is the respected
Vice
Chief for Air Staff.
So that I didn't say, you should mention.
No, I want to only mention this one thing because there's something that you've inherited from your parents.
I suppose discipline and time management, things like that, in the defense services, how strict they are about.
Exactly. We're going to take Mona on a different route with a little bit of rapid fire bungee jumping.
Okay.
Mona, are you ready for this? Okay, so are you a mountains or a beach person?
Mountains.
Mountains, luxury travel or backpacking?
Luxury travel.
Okay. While the window seat or the aisle seat?
I'll.
Me too. One destination that truly stole your heart forever?
That's a little difficult, but anyway, one of the many, I think, is South America.
A place that surprised you the most?
Iran.
A hidden gem in India that you think every traveler must go explore?
Hampi.
Hampi. Something that you like, which is either street food or fine dining when you're traveling. What do you prefer?
Street food.
One destination that's interesting, I love this, which is still on your bucket list.
Patagonia. Planned for October 2026
You've planned it?
on this trip.
Way to go. 2026?
With
going-
the rest of South America.
Wow.
It'll be Brazil. Oh, it's not a far. Okay.
So one travel habit you can't live without. Is there a travel habit you have? कोई कर देता है ना कि ये एक souvenir उठाना ही है या something.
Magnets.
Magnets? Okay, you like collecting them as a thing?
As
Okay.
a memento.
And that one piece of advice for women who always want to travel more, solo, not solo, but for women travelers, a piece of advice.
Just go.
Just go.
Everything falls into place.
Everything falls into place. And at this very special moment, I would like to say, Atra Mohammed Kabul, thank you. And as you said, Pranav Kapadia is very dear to you.
Thank you very much, Pranav, for sponsoring this. It was extremely nice of you. And of course, I know you from a long time myself.
Oh, yeah, he's a thorough professional.
Really.
And that's what I really appreciate. So, ladies and gentlemen, watch us, powerful women like her give us a lot of strength within to say hello to life. Thank you.